The Range Extended Electric Vehicle, or REV, is transforming the way we think about electric mobility. It is an innovative technology that bridges the gap between battery electric vehicles and conventional hybrids. REV is powered primarily by an electric motor and a rechargeable battery. When the battery runs low, a small internal combustion engine activates, not to drive the wheels but to act as a generator, creating electricity that keeps the car moving. This eliminates the mechanical link between the engine and the wheels, resulting in smoother performance and simplified mechanics. The key advantage of a REV is its ability to combine electric driving with the reassurance of a range-extending generator. Many REEVs can travel between 80 and 150 kilometers on electric power alone, perfect for daily commutes. Once that range is depleted, the range extender takes over, pushing total driving distance beyond 1,000 kilometers without needing frequent charging stops. This makes REEVs ideal for long journeys while maintaining the core benefits of an electric vehicle. Efficiency is another strength of REV technology. Because the engine in a REV is used only to generate electricity, it can operate at a constant, optimized speed. This makes it far more fuel efficient than traditional engines. It also allows manufacturers to use smaller engines and smaller fuel tanks while delivering excellent range. The result is lower emissions, reduced fuel costs, and a driving experience that feels much closer to that of a full electric car. REEVs also use smaller batteries than most battery electric vehicles. This is significant because batteries are one of the most expensive and resource-intensive parts of an electric vehicle. By relying on a smaller battery supplemented by a range extender, REEVs can reduce costs for both manufacturers and consumers. They also lessen the strain on critical minerals like lithium, making the technology more sustainable and scalable. Several real-world examples show the potential of this technology. The Exeed ET-REV, for example, has gained attention for delivering more than 1,100 kilometers of combined range while accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 5 seconds. Its thermal efficiency is among the highest in the industry, and its range-extending system has been praised for smooth operation. This is a clear example of how REEVs are not just practical but can also deliver impressive performance. The market for REEVs is growing rapidly, especially in China, where infrastructure for electric vehicles varies widely between urban and rural areas. In 2024, China produced over 1.2 million REEVs, representing just over 4% of total light vehicle production. By 2030, that figure is expected to grow to more than 10%. Automakers like Volkswagen, Mazda, and other global brands are also preparing to bring REV technology to markets outside China. One of the main reasons REEVs are seen as a critical step forward is that they reduce range anxiety. Pure battery electric vehicles depend entirely on charging networks, and in many regions, those networks are still developing. REV solves this issue by providing electric driving most of the time while still offering the security of a range extender for longer trips. This balance makes them a perfect transitional technology while infrastructure catches up to consumer demand. Another promising development is the increasing efficiency of range extenders themselves. Some manufacturers are experimenting with highly efficient rotary engines or other specialized generators designed specifically for electric vehicles. These systems run at a constant speed, which improves fuel-to-electric conversion efficiency and reduces emissions even further. REEVs also offer flexibility for drivers in regions with strict emissions regulations. Because most daily driving is electric, tailpipe emissions remain extremely low. For city driving, this is almost indistinguishable from driving a battery electric vehicle. Yet for long-distance travel, the vehicle retains the convenience of quick refueling, making it an ideal solution for drivers who want both efficiency and freedom from charging limitations. The future of REV technology is bright. As battery prices continue to decrease, range extenders will likely become even smaller and more efficient, turning REEVs into an even more compelling option. Automakers are already developing platforms that can switch between pure battery electric configurations and range-extended versions, giving consumers greater choice. In the next decade, REEVs are expected to play a major role, particularly in markets where charging infrastructure is uneven or where consumers remain hesitant about full electric adoption. In conclusion, the REV is not just another type of hybrid or electric car. It represents a practical and efficient way forward, blending the best features of both electric and fuel-powered vehicles. It provides long-range confidence, lowers costs, and eases the transition to a fully electric future. With leading automakers investing heavily in this technology, the range-extended electric vehicle is poised to become one of the most important innovations in the automotive world. This is the future of electric cars: efficient, flexible, and ready for the next generation of drivers.